Need to adjust the speed of a video, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to speed up or slow down a video on the CapCut app. Now let's get started. To adjust the speed of a video using CapCut, open the CapCut app and begin a new project. Select the video you want to import from your device. Tap the clip you want to adjust the speed of. Then tap Speed in the menu at the bottom. Select Normal. Now slide the marker to the left to slow down your video, or to the right to speed it up. You'll see the new duration of your clip above. Tap the play button to see a preview of what your video will look like at the adjusted speed. When you're happy with the speed, tap the check mark to save your changes. Continue making any other edits you want to your video. Then tap Export in the top right corner to save your edited video to your device. That's all it takes to speed up or slow down a video using CapCut. To learn more about how to edit videos with CapCut, check out our Beginner's Guide to CapCut next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.